Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download the Roblox Studio app on your iPhone. And for this we go to Safari and then we go to Google right here and then we write down Roblox Studio like this. Then from here we click on the Roblox Creator Hub, and then after this we need to log in to our Roblox account. So right now if you click on log in, alright, there it is. Make sure that you log into your Roblox account, and then after that what you need to do is click here on the middle icon, scroll down and click on add to home screen. Give this a name, Roblox Studio, and then right here we click on add. And from now, every time when we click here on this home screen icon, we go to the Roblox Studio. So this is exactly what you need to do. Hopefully I helped you out, and thanks for watching. Ciao.